Good morning students. As in previous video, the chapter recorded speech was going on, in which we studied how exclamatory sentence is changed into indirect speech. Today I will tell you how optative sentence is changed into indirect speech. Students, in optative sentence, wishing is found, either good wishing or bad wishing. Students, if good wishing is there, if somebody is going to wish someone good wish, he is going to give, then this will be followed. The first rule is that if there is good wishing, if wishing someone, there is good wishing, we change set to wish this, and we use that. We use that after removing inverted comma. And further we remove the object of reporting word. Object of reporting word is removed. Now see, example, he said to me, may you live long. He said to me, may you live long. It is good. And in this good wishing, we apply this rule. In this good wishing, said to will be changed to wished. And now that will be used. See the answer. He wished that, after movement comma, that will be used. And other words already use the second person pronoun. It will be changed according to the object of reporting verb. Object of reporting verb will me, using subject to case. Subject to case of may will be I. That I may will be changed to might. I might live long. This is the answer. Write down the second rule. If there is bad wishing, if there is bad wishing, the bad wishing is curse. We change set to into cursed. We change set into cursed, and we use after removing inverted comma. After removing inverted comma. Rule is, if there is bad wishing, means you are going to curse someone, so we change set to into cursed. We change set to into cursed, and we use that after removing inverted comma. Example. Let's see the example. He said to him, comma inverted comma, may you die soon. He said to him, may you die soon. Then answer will be, according to this rule, said to will change to cursed. He cursed that, after removing the comma, that. Here object of reporting verb will not be used. That. Here the object of reporting verb is not written. So in this way here also. He cursed that. Use the second person. Pronoun will change according to object of reporting verb. Object of reporting verb him. Subject to case, subject to verb will be he. That he might die. He might die. This is the example. But one type of rule is also left, students. First of all, write the rule, then above side, last rule. Write down this. Last one is that. Write down all the rules. If there is the word God, if God word comes in the sentence of the body, how it is changed? If there is the word God, we change shift into pray, P-R-A-Y-D, and we use that, after moving inverted comma. After removing inverted comma. This is the rule. If there is the word what in the sentence, we change it into pray and we use that after moving inverted comma. Now, see the example. Write down the rule. He said to me, may God bless you. May God bless you. He said to me, may God bless you. This is after the sentence. He said to me, may God bless you. In this sentence, God word will come. God word has come. So this rule will be applied. Said to be changed to pray. Answer. He prayed. Object of reporting verb will not be written in any case. Other than also see. He prayed that. God will be as a subject. God maybe we change to might bless. You will the objective. Second person pronoun in object in place of object. So in objective case, activities of me will be the same. Bless me. This is the answer. He said to me, may God bless you. He prayed. He prayed that God might bless me. This is the answer. In this way, students, this chapter is completed. Course is completed. Now I am going to tell you what is the pattern of question paper that will come in your annual exam. First after write these things, then I am going to tell you the paper pattern. What is the pattern of paper? What type of questions will come? That I will tell you now and will note it down. First of all, write these rules. Then I am telling you paper pattern. Yes. Now see paper pattern, how it will be asked. What is the pattern of paper? I am going to tell you. See paper pattern. To write this pattern. What type of questions will be asked and how will be asked? All things I will tell you, and you will write in your notebook and prepare accordingly. Yes. Students, maximum marks will be 80 in your question paper. Maximum marks will be 80. 80 marks question will be. How it is divided? How question paper is divided into two parts, part A and part B. First is part A. Question paper is divided into two parts, part A and part B. Part A will be 40 marks. Part A will be 40 marks. 40 marks part A, 40 marks part B. In part A, 40 marks what will be asked? I am going to write, you will also write. First question will be unseen passage. Question first will be unseen passage. First question will be unseen passage, in which multiple choice question will be given, and you have to solve 10 questions out of 10 from unseen passage. MCQ questions will be there. You have to solve 10 questions. 10 questions you have to solve out of 12. Out of 12 will be there. And 10 marks. 1 mark question, that will be optional, and 10 marks, 10 questions you have to solve. And in this way, first unseen passage 10 marks will be there. And second question also unseen passage. Second question also unseen passage will come, and all MCQ questions will be there. MCQ will be there. This also will be 10 questions that you have to solve. 10 questions you have to solve out of 12. 12 question in first unseen passage will be given, 12 question in second unseen passage will be given, and 10 in the first and 10 in the second you have to solve. In this way 10 and 20 marks unseen passage will be there. In part 1, 20 marks have been here divided 20 marks, 20 marks left. How 20 marks will be given? Write out further. Literature, textbooks. From literature textbooks, beehive as well as moments, how questions will come, I am telling you. Literature textbooks, 10 marks question will be asked. 10 marks question will be from literature section. Multiple choice questions only. It will be question number 3. Question number 3, extract will be asked. Extract from prose. Extract from prose, and this will be from beehive. From beehive extract will be asked. These stories that are given, it will be asked. One extract, one paragraph from any story, from any prose lesson, that will be asked. And 5 questions will be given. 5 questions you have to attempt. 1 multiply 5 equal to 5. There will be 5 questions. All will be optional, multiple choice question. You have to solve. Then R will be given there. Extract from prose, from poem not. Extract from prose, from moments. From moments, one extract will be given, and it will also be same. 1 multiply 5 equal to 5. So you have to attempt any, either from beehive or from moments. Any you have to choose. R will be given there. This is the third question. Now fourth question is question 4, extract from poem. Extract from poem. Poem is from beehive. And question will be 1 multiply 5 equal to 5. 5 marks question will be asked from extract, given extract from the poem. Any poem will be given, and 5 marks question will be asked. So in this way here, 5 question this, 5 marks this, and 5 marks this. 10 marks textbook and now grammar. Grammar we have to write. Above side I will write grammar. See grammar. How grammar will be done. Question number 5 is grammar. Now see the division. Grammar will be asked 10 marks and multiple choice questions will be there. See, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks. See, this will be question number 5. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. How many marks? 1 multiplied 3 equal to 3. 3 marks. Question number 5. Again question number 6. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. It also will be 1 multiplied 3 equal to 3. 3 marks this. And question number 7. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 1 multiplied 4 equal to 4. 4, 3, 7, 3, 10. 10 marks grammar will be asked. These 4 questions that are given will be out of 6. Here 6 questions will be given. 4 you have to attempt. And then part B comes. This was part A. Now you write part B. Part A 14 marks completed. Now to part B. Write down part B. Part B. Part B 14 marks. Part B 40 marks. First of all, writing section. In writing, what is asked? In writing will be 10 marks. Writing 10 marks. How 10 marks will be there? Question number 8 comes. Question number 8 will be diary entry. Question number 8 will be diary entry. Diary entry you have to write in 100 to 120 words and marks 5. Diary will be asked 5 marks. Then here R will be there. Here will be choice. Descriptive paragraph. Descriptive paragraph. Descriptive paragraph will be asked. Either you have to solve descriptive paragraph or you have to solve diary entry. It is also 100 to 120 words you have to write. Yes. Then question number 9 comes. Write down question number 9. How question number 9 will be asked? Question number 9 is story. Story. You have to write in 100 to 120 words. 100 to 120 words of story will be asked. It will be of 5 marks. 5 marks story will be asked. There will be 2 stories. One story first of all, one story, second story also will be 100 to 100 words. Same. Any story you have to write. Then literature textbook comes. Write down. After that, after the story, literature section comes in writing section part B. Literature, textbooks. It will be 30 marks. And it will be question number 10. Question number 10 will be A part and B part. A. Short answer type question. Answer in 2. Answer any 2 questions out of 3. Out of 3 in 20 to 30 words. 20 to 30 words. The 2 you have to solve. Answer in 2. 2 multiplied to 24. Marks will be there. This is from behind. These questions will be asked from behind. From behind will be asked. Behind name of there. From behind will be asked. Then B section will come. A 10 come 2 parts are question number 10 A and then B. A answer any 2 answer any 2 questions out of 3. Out of 3. Out of 3 in 20 to 30 words. You know, it will be also 2 multiplied 2 equal to 4 marks. It will be asked from moments. From moments. From moments group, these questions will be asked. Then question number 11 comes. Question number 11. Write down. How question number 11 will be asked? Let's see. Question number 11 also have 2 parts, set A and B. Answer any 2 questions out of 3. Out questions out of 3. Out of 3, 2 questions you have to solve in 40 to 50 words. 40 to 50 words. 2 questions you solve, 3 will be given. And it's 3 equal to 2, 6 marks will be there. And this question will be from behind. From behind. Book this question will be asked. Part B come. Answer any 2. Answer any 2 questions. Answer any 2 questions in out of 3. Out of 3. Out of 3 in answer any 2 questions out of 3 in 40 to 50 words. Marks region is the same. 6 marks. It will be from moments. From moments it will be asked. Now last question see. Last question not. 12 questions. Plus 13 questions will be given. Question number 12. Answer any one. Answer any one of two. Answer any one of the following. Answer any one of the following. In 100 to 120 words. One question you have to solve. There will be two questions. One you have to solve, and its result will mark with 5 marks. And this will be asked from BI. And last question, answer anyone. Answer anyone of the following. Two questions are will be there. Answer anyone of the following in 100 to 120 words. It is 5 marks. 5 marks, and it will be asked from moments. This is the paper pattern that will be asked. Further revision will be. Thank you.